In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify in 2025 quickly and easily. This integration will allow you to streamline your e-commerce business by automating product listings and order fulfillment directly through your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control panel, where you manage all aspects of your store. If you aren't already logged in, head over to the Shopify website and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage of your store, next you're going to click on the Settings tab, which is located at the bottom left of your screen. In the Settings panel, you can adjust many aspects of your store's functionality, but today we'll focus on connecting an app. Now within the Settings menu, locate and select Apps and Sales Channels. This section is where you can manage applications that boost the functionality of your Shopify store. Once inside this section, find and click on the Shopify App Store button. This takes you to a marketplace full of apps designed to enhance your store's capabilities, ranging from marketing tools to dropshipping enhancers like CJ Dropshipping. Once you're in the App Store, go to the search bar at the top and type in CJ Dropshipping. The search results will display a variety of apps related to dropshipping. Look for CJ Dropshipping Much Faster and click on it. This is the official app provided by CJ Dropshipping, specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with Shopify. After clicking on the app, you'll be directed to the app's page, where you'll find all the details about its features, reviews, and pricing. In this case, click the Install button. You'll be prompted for confirmation of your agreement to the app's permissions and your approval to install it on your store. Click Install again. This confirms your selection, and the integration process will begin. Now, while installing, you may be required to log into your CJ Dropshipping account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. Ensure you follow the on-screen instructions to complete this sync between your CJ account and Shopify store efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully connected CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Your products can now be managed more effortlessly through the dropshipping platform, allowing for better inventory management and customer satisfaction. This process should only take a few minutes and can save you countless hours in managing products and orders manually. Remember, integrating apps like CJ Dropshipping is crucial for a smooth e-commerce operation, especially if you're dealing with a large number of products. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.